how to use ChatGPT to write a book. A lot of people here nowadays want to generate their book, their projects, everything using ChatGPT now because this is AI and we're in 2025. Now, if you're looking to write a book using ChatGPT, here's what we can do. There's a couple of things that we need to keep in mind while writing a book. It could be a ebook or a other book as well. So that depends upon you. So what we can do is we can ask ChatGPT to provide us a roadmap into writing a book, then publishing it. So we can just give this prompt to ChatGPT. And now here, as you guys can see, it has started to define everything that we're gonna need for our book creation. So now ChatGPT here has done a very fine job, and it has defined each and every step that we're gonna need in order to write our book. Now we can use a prompt. For example, we can also write. We can write this as well. We can generate that prompt that we're gonna use for our book, and using ChatGPT is all about learning how to give proper prompts to ChatGPT. So it has done each and every work for me on just a single prompt. That's how you can go and do it for yourself and create your own books using ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.